Just recently received my BougeRV. It's the CR22 30 quart. I plugged it into house current to get it down to 0, and for about a half hour I've been running it off my little Senku battery on DC. Inside. Thought I'd throw a bottle in there. It's already starting to freeze. Haven't taken any of the stickers off, but basically you don't even have to read the manual. All the instructions are right here. Very nice looking machine. I estimate off that 150 watt hour battery pack, it'll probably run about 5 hours. Long enough for me to get to the store and back and maybe use one of the bigger jackeries for camping. But there it is. Oh yeah. And this is how it came, boxed up. Lots of foam, 2 boxes, heavy duty, not a scratch on it. Beautiful. Very pleased.